टॉपिक है पीएसयूज़ का और पीएसयूज़ हैं गवर्नमेंट ओन्ड बिजनेसेस. But the moment you think of the word business or corporate, you expect electrifying energies. And that is missing in this room. You have to understand, हम सबको बदलने का टाइम आ चुका है. We have reached a stage where this sense of complacence कि खाना 3 बजे सर्व हुआ था, मैंने 3 बजे तक वेट कर ली, मुझे जाना चाहिए, बहुत गलत है. If people as dynamic as Shivani Babbar and her team have organized this for us, it was our duty to learn from each other and come up with something new for our country. The topic given to me was PSUs को transform कैसे कर सकते हैं with emerging technologies or with new approaches and with a new thinking towards policy making. Somehow I would like to go back to my experience rather than relying on my presentation, though Shivani ji is kind enough to load it. It's done, so we can. Will I have the remote to use it or? Well, till it comes up, it's okay. So, but room की energy देख के मुझे लगा it is better to, yeah, you can start. Thank you. It is better that 32 साल का जो मेरा experience है इस subject का, मैं आपके साथ बिल्कुल दिल से बात करके जाऊँ. प्रेजेंटेशन दिखानी बहुत आसान होती है, लेकिन दिल से बात करनी बहुत मुश्किल होती है, और मुश्किल चीज़ में ज़्यादा मज़ा आता है, ज़्यादा चैलेंज होता है, और यही हम सबको PSUs में करना है. We have to push our comfort zones. We have to, like my previous esteemed speaker said, we have to innovate. And innovate for these people who are toiling day and night to make sure that our salaries come on time. हमें देश की जनता के लिए इनकम टैक्स वाले जो हमारे इनकम टैक्स पेयर्स हैं, जो आपकी और मेरी सैलरी दे रहे हैं थ्रू द इनकम टैक्स डिपार्टमेंट्स, through the government treasury, if you go and see them, I had the privilege. Can I have a caller mic, please, if possible? So, no, it's okay. If it's not there, it's fine. So, in my PhD from IIT Delhi, the topic I picked up was how technology can change the face of India. And when I talked to my guide, he said, do you know what is India? So obviously, our prism about India comes from our understanding from the ecosystem we are born into, we get studied, and we graduate finally. But he said, India is 70% villages, please go to villages. So the journey started, and a new electric touch came to my existence when I went to 600 villages of the country to see what real India is and how can technology make a difference. These are some of the snippets for each of you. And this is real India, which I love to call Bharat, and I'm sure all of us want to call it. So when I studied real India, I realized technology can do a difference to their lives only when we give them what they want and not what we can do for them. Sitting in these beautiful rooms, you might think of Passport as one of the best examples of our country, which it is. Goluk has already talked to us, and I'm proud of him. Okay, we might say railway reservation is one of the best examples of technology making a difference. It is, because of IRCTC doing such a proactive role. But talk to these people who cannot afford roti, kapda, makan, safety, sanity, livelihood. Ask them what do they need. When I talk to them, they said, क्या आपकी टेक्नोलॉजी मेरे आदमी को दारू छुड़वा सकती है? क्या आपकी टेक्नोलॉजी मेरे गांव में वो जो नाली में मच्छर आ जाते हैं जो मेरे बच्चों को काटते हैं और वो स्कूल नहीं जा सकते, क्या आपकी टेक्नोलॉजी वो ख़त्म कर सकती है? क्या आपकी टेक्नोलॉजी मेरी एलिफेंटाइटिस बीमारी जो 20 साल से कोई ठीक नहीं कर पा रहा और गांव में ऐसा डॉक्टर नहीं है, क्या वो कर सकती है कि नहीं? So this is a prism we need to look into to make all PSUs Maharatnas. PSUs have a level of complacence and still creativity. So that creativity is something I would provoke in each of you to come out. When I pushed my barriers, a lot of foreign organizations also called me. I'm on panel of 35 foreign organizations, foreign universities, and a lot of awards. I'm skipping this part. I'm just skipping this. So let us go to the background of PSU. They say अगर फ्यूचर अच्छे से समझना है ना तो पास्ट अच्छे से समझ लो. महाभारत की बात हो रही थी तो मुझे एकदम वही बात फिर से याद आई. That the more backward we go, more forward we tend to leap to because we know the spaces we are coming from. So when we looked at PSUs, my research team, I must thank Sahu and Alisha who worked with me to create this for all of you. The reason PSUs were created were all these in the pyramid. Defense PSU because national security is important. Okay, and also to make sure that everybody gets their due economic development, etc. There's a lot of data to prove this, but I'll not bore you with this. Categories of PSUs, all of us know, so I'll just do. Now, this is where I want to touch the Pandora box. PSUs, जो सोच के बने थे, वो सिर्फ पावर ग्रिड, ONGC या यही सब क्यों रह गए, बाकी सब कहाँ हैं? So, my researcher made a model after researching कि PSUs की जो problems हैं उनको हम REPAIR, a positive word. She was trying to make something else. I said, Elisha, let's stay positive. All the issues of PSUs can be summed up in repair model, thanks to Alisha. So if you go through the repair model, R is regulatory hurdles. And please, this model is also because of my experience of working with PSUs as their teacher for last 32 years, because I trained so many officers from PSUs, so I know the spaces they come from. So there are a lot of bureaucratic issues, which even in government, I also would say we face. But more than that, what is missing is a silo approach, not getting changed into a converged approach despite technology. So there is a lot of paperweight sitting on solutions which die when the leaders move away. So those kind of hurdles are very time consuming because not just you combat the same issue again, you reinvent the wheel again, but knowledge management was not done. When the leaders move out, lot of time issues are not resolved through the manner the leader was resolving it when they were there. Of course, innovation and efficiency deficiencies, but I'll take it with a pinch of salt. I think PSUs have recently innovated a lot. We must give credit to HAL. We must give credit to other PSUs for being innovative. But by and large, not all PSUs are famous for innovation. And sitting in Atmanirbhar times, when our own Honorable Prime Minister has said by 2047 we should be self-reliant, I think PSUs have a great opportunity to come up with innovative solutions. Rest of those issues I'm just skipping because I believe I'm a person of solutions and not problems. So there have to be some solutions to all this repair model. So I've just given some solutions here, okay? These solutions will come only when each of us handhold each other and happily adopt new age technologies. ठीक है? और न्यू एज टेक्नोलॉजीज कितना भयंकर वर्ड लग रहा है, NAT. But if I ask you what are the latest technologies that seem to have infested our life, तो आपके दिमाग में कौन सी टेक्नोलॉजी सबसे पहले आएगी? कौन सी टेक्नोलॉजी है जिसने हमारी जिंदगी डिफरेंट कर दी, बर्बाद तो नहीं की? UPI, मैम, I would say a round of applause for ma'am, please, thank you. आप कहीं भी जाइए, रिक्शे वाले से लेके ऑटो वाले तक, अब आपको कैश कैरी नहीं करना. थैंक यू मैम. एंड दिस इज बिकॉज ऑफ डिजिटल इंडिया, वेयर वी हैव क्रिएटेड इंडिया स्टैक. एंड इंडिया स्टैक में कैशलेस पेमेंट्स थ्रू UPI. और कौन सी टेक्नोलॉजी है? ये तो इंडिजीनियस है, होम ग्रोन. आई रियली वांट टू टेक योर कार्ड आफ्टर द सेशन. ओप्स, थैंक यू. ओके, सो एनीबडी एल्स? कोई एक नई टेक्नोलॉजी बताइए जिस AI में यस सर, थैंक यू। अब सर एआई है क्या चीज? ये कब पैदा हुई थी? टेक अ गेस, एनी ऑफ यू। महाभारत के आंसर्स आपने बहुत अच्छे दिए थे, अब मुझे दीजिए। 1956, थैंक यू मैम, यू आर ऑसम encyclopedia, थैंक यू। So AI came in 1956, but हमारी जिंदगी अभी से इन्फ्लुएंस किया उसने सिर्फ। It went through its summers and winters. I was telling in another event I was attending today morning that the first AI program I wrote in my life was in 1984. Some of you were not even born. Okay, so why AI has made a difference to our lives, PSUs should take a note of. This is because suddenly AI has started talking to me in my English, in my language, sorry, not English, in my language. AI is able to have a lens and scan my text and convert it into a sensible digital document. AI is able to respond to any language and convert it to another language. AI is able to recognize faces. हमारी शक्लें हमारी सहेलियां 20 साल बाद पहचान नहीं पा रही हैं, लेकिन AI फेशियल रिकग्निशन कर लेता है। कोई भी टीचर इतने अंधेरे में देख नहीं पाएगा कि आपकी सेंटिमेंट क्या है, पर सेंटिमेंट रिकग्निशन AI कर लेगा। So AI has started substituting for lot of activities where data crunching was required or where pattern recognition was required. So AI is a data guzzler. जितना डेटा उसे देते चले जाएंगे उतना इंटेलिजेंट वो ज़्यादा होता जाएगा। तो PSUs को क्या करना है? अब डेटा को रिसोर्स की तरह संभाल के रखना है। बिकॉज अगर हमें AI यूज़ करना है, जैसे सर ने कहा, तो AI का जो फ्यूल है ना सर, वो डेटा है। और PSUs किससे क्या ले रहे हैं, क्या दे रहे हैं, रॉ मटेरियल कहाँ से ले रहे हैं, क्या प्रोडक्ट बना रहे हैं, क्या इन्वेंट्री है, कौन कंज्यूमर है, अगर हम अपना डेटा संभालने लग जाएंगे तो हम न्यू एज टेक्नोलॉजीज अपने आप यूज कर लेंगे। So what I'm trying to tell you is the potential of new age technologies need a different approach जो आज तक हमने नहीं सोचा था। और ये different approach also wants us to have a new look at our own strategies. It also needs new policies. A leader at a strategic level might like to revamp their organization, but till there are no policies to ensure that they are inculcated across the institute or across the organization, there will be no impact. Yeah, that must be to close the session. It's okay. Okay, thank you. You can take it back. So I'll just close it by saying that there are a lot of potentials we need to have, but last thing we should know कि किसी भी अच्छे के साथ कुछ बुरा ज़रूर आता है। इतनी टेक्नोलॉजी करने के लिए हमें बहुत एजाइल बनना पड़ेगा। एजिलिटी के एडवांटेजेस आपको सारी किताबें बता देंगी, पर नेगेटिव्स को जब समझ लेंगे तो विल बी एबल टू कॉम्बैट देम बेटर। इफ़ यू नो योर एनिमी वेल, यू कैन हैंडल देम वेल। So all said and done, new age technologies are a bunch of options with PSUs which they can use. If you're not sure, come to my organization. We will teach you on AI like the Skill India sir said. And we'll also tell you how to use it for your organizations. But while doing that, you have to change your status quo. Business models बदलने पड़ेंगे, पॉलिसीज़ बदलनी पड़ेंगी, नई तरह के पार्टनर्स बनाने पड़ेंगे और कॉन्स्टेंटली अपने आप को रीवैम्प करना पड़ेगा। सो आई विल जस्ट क्लोज इट हियर एंड आई लीव यू विद लॉट ऑफ पॉजिटिव थॉट्स दैट स्काई इज द लिमिट इफ यू डिसाइड टू कम टू माय ऑर्गेनाइजेशन IIPA। थैंक यू।